Old Aravallis, scattered rocks, and thorny bushes. Which state in India is this? Yes, this is Rajasthan, the land of beautiful forts, monuments, dances, and cuisines. In 2019, I had a delightful experience at the Dadikar Fort in Alwar. If you haven't watched it yet, then do so by clicking on the link in the description box. From experiencing a stay at a heritage fort, enjoying folk dances, having dal bati churma, to sightseeing, Alwar had given us some lovely experiences to remember. In this video, I would share a recipe of dal bati churma and relive those moments spent in Alwar. I would start by soaking my pulses. I am using masoor dal and chana dal. Now, while my pulses would soak, I would meanwhile prepare the dough. I am using 2 cups of wheat flour or atta, 1 cup of suji or semolina, some baking powder, some salt, 1 tablespoon of ghee. I am using some water to make the dough a smooth and tight dough. Now I would let the dough rest for a while and prepare the dal. I am adding the soaked and washed dal in the cooker. Now I am adding some turmeric and some salt and 1 green chilli. Now I am closing the lid and would let the dal cook. I am now preparing small smooth balls from the dough for the bati and I am giving some rough shapes for the churma. The dal is cooked and I would let it cool down. This is my upper pan and I would be using it to bake my bati. I am putting the round bati balls in it to bake. Now I would close the lid. It is already 5 minutes and I would now open up the lid and turn over my bati balls. I have also added some ghee a little while before in each cavity of the upper pan. Now another 5 minutes on this side and my bati would be ready. This is a mixture of ghee and butter for my churma. My random dough shapes for the churma goes into it, and I would fry them till they turn golden brown. This is the last step of the churma preparation. The fried dough, some jaggery, you can also use sugar, and some dry fruits will go into my mixer jar. The crushed mixture, that is my churma, is ready. For the dal, I am adding some dry red chilies to the hot oil, some whole dhania seeds and some jeera seeds for the tarka. I am also adding some grated ginger to the tarka. Since the aroma has already begun coming out, I would now add the tarka to the dal and mix well. My dal is ready. Now it is time to put together my dal bati and churma and enjoy a lovely Rajasthani dish from the safety of my home. Do try this recipe and bring Rajasthan to your plate. I hope you loved watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.